Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Majority Online Bank and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at majority.com, and according to AI, Majority is a digital finance platform offering bank-like services particularly aimed at migrants, but it is available to everyone. It's considered a good option for those seeking a convenient and potentially cost-effective banking experience with features like a free debit card, fee-free international spending, and cashback on everyday purchases. Here's a more detailed look at Majority. They offer a digital banking platform. You can get a free debit card, cashback on everyday purchases, fee-free international spending. You can have savings and financial tools, international calling, and again, it is migrant focused. It was initially designed with migrants in mind, offering services that can be particularly helpful for those who frequently send money internationally. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.